Are you eating in a rush, as quick as you can, uncontrollable because you're so hungry? So it's time to get more consciousness in every bite you make. The mindful eating. Normally, that's exactly when nobody wants to have a camera. So you're the lucky one today. I'm doing it for you. So I have some inspirations. Do you like to eat alone or in society? Do you like it more silent or with music? Wherever you want it, so make it as comfortable as you can have it. Choose your right place. Stop thinking. Enjoy. Take time and really feel every bite you make. Enjoy it. And breathe in between. Take time. Feel the joy you are eating. Also think about what you want to have in you. If it's more power, if it's more confident, eat it already. It's like you're eating a rainbow. Maybe from the outside, if you choose a lot of different food. And also inside. Grow what you want to have.